Most people get this wrong. They think Lendio is just a simple payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Lendio has developed into a full-featured financial platform, offering early wage access, flexible installment options, and budgeting tools to help you manage money smarter. Here's how it works. Lendio lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This can help cover emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent expenses without relying on high-interest credit cards. In addition, Lendio offers installment plans for eligible purchases, splitting payments into smaller, manageable portions, so you can budget more effectively. The app also provides a dashboard where you can monitor advances, upcoming payments, and overall spending habits. Alerts and notifications ensure you stay on track, helping you avoid late fees and maintain healthy financial habits. The downside: overusing Lendio can be expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments accumulate fees, and depending too heavily on the app may hide deeper financial challenges. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on Lendio. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits might find fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, Lendio in 2026 is a practical, flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your repayments, plan ahead, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and money tips to stay in control of your finances.